Hello and welcome to English Coaching Project's Funny Expressions. Today's expression is, you can't complain. Here's the joke. A friend of mine used to live in North Korea. So I asked him, what was it like living there? And he replied, well, you can't complain. We use the expression, you can't complain, or can't complain, when people ask you how you are. And, life is okay. Maybe not brilliant, but it's okay. You can't complain. So why is this joke funny? Because I haven't been there myself, but I think if you live in North Korea, maybe you can't complain to the authorities. I don't know, I haven't lived there. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon, bye! Jeez, it's hot out there.